So, chalo, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your rider Arnkan Duvuri, and today is day 7 of our ride from Bangalore to Western Ghats, and today we are in Athirappilly. The time is 9:13, and we need to have a breakfast now. We need to see good breakfast area. Our plan today is we added a new place. As I said yesterday, we added a new place that is Kalady. Kalady is you know is a place where Shankaracharya, the temple that Kanakadara storm, all that happened. So we can go and watch that historic point or place, and then evening by 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock we'll reach to waterfalls, and from 4 o'clock we'll reach waterfalls. We'll view the waterfalls and come back to the room. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. we'll start back to other Walparai. So chalo, let's quickly complete our breakfast and start to our first destination. So we just had our breakfast. A good appam and kadal curry is good. So now we are heading to Kalady, the Kanaka Mahalakshmi temple over there. So I'm excited to go to the forest road. Maybe it's around 32 kilometers of forest. I don't think we'll be crossing entire forest. Somewhere we'll take a deviation, I guess. Let's see how it goes, because I don't have the navigation with me right now. So we need to depend on the fellow riders for the navigation. I could see a couple of elephants there. Let me go back. The view from the back is good, it seems. I guess they were having this mud bath there. 2 elephants were there. Chalo, let's go front and let's see what more waits for us. So now see the second one. So that is Chalakudy River, which comes from, I think, Athirappilly Falls, the downstream of Athirappilly Falls. So this forest is adjacent to that river. So it's called as Chalakudy Forest area. And this Chalakudy Forest area is famous for wild elephants. See, I think all this electrical fencing you are seeing here, right? All this electric fencing is, I think, to avoid this elephants to come to the other lands or something. They were growing some crops here. They kept this electric fencing for the elephants not to spoil those crops and all, I guess. Elephants would sleep at night on the roads itself, it seems. So the whole thing is the Chalakudy Forest area. You could see there, right? Until the hills. So the whole thing is the Chalakudy Forest area. This is one of the big forests as well. So this forest will be until next 90 kilometers, I guess. Until at least Walparai, you can see this forest. So if you guys see, for all the houses here as well, we got these electric fences. Again, to avoid from elephants, I guess. So right now we're middle of a dense forest in Kerala. We already found 2 elephants. at the start of it. If we're lucky, we'll find more. We still do have around 20 kilometers to go through this forest road. So we came out of this forest properly, and now I think we came into some good fields. So these were the banana plantations. There were some other fields as well here. But these villages were so good, man, with all the greeneries filled. If you see all the houses, see this old type of houses like special architecture, and they have good verandas, good gardens maintained. Yeah, so the area name is this town name is Manjapra. Ayapan Kunj, then Manjapra. I think next is Kalady, where so Adiguru Shankaracharya had born. Adiguru Shankaracharya is the one who, what do you say, educated or spread Hinduism more and enlightened everyone. Like he's the Adiguru for this. He's also called as another roop of Shiva. So that's why he's called as Adiguru Shankaracharya. So right now the place we are going, it has an historical importance. The importance is this lesson actually we used to have in our maybe 6th or 5th class or 7th class. I'm not sure which class, but we used to have it in our textbooks. That is, he went for this bhikshatana, which is all the sadhus would do, begging for their what do you say, daily meals. So when he's going for begging or bhikshatana, on those days everyone used to give them. On that day, on that particular day, he did not get it anywhere, and he went to one poor woman's house. That poor woman does not have anything to offer him, and she gave him an amla. That's what she had. He happily took that amla, and then he chanted some mantra called Kanakadara Astavam or Kanakadara Stotram, something, not properly sure. I forgot about it. After, what do you say, reading that and chanting that mantra, the woman's house, that poor woman's house was filled with golden amlas, it seems. So that's the story behind the place we are going now. If possible, let's see the house. The temple may be open, but the house will be closed at 11 o'clock, it seems, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Let's go and see. At least we'll see the outer space of what do you say, house. So I'm sorry, I need a small correction here. It's not Kanakadara Stavam, it's Kanakadara Stotram. So he read that Kanakadara Stotram, and then all those what do you say, golden amlas fell into her house, and she became rich. So right now we enter to Kalady. We enter to Kalady city, Kalady town, where Adiguru Shankaracharya was born. He was born in this town on the banks of Periyar River. So they used to say this Periyar River initially flew from a different direction, and it took the path of his footsteps, it seems. That's why it is called Kalady. Kalady means footprint, is what I read from the internet. Previously it used to have a different name, it seems. Now after that it's changed to Kalady. So we almost came to the place. Actually we came to the place that Kanakadara temple was there right now. We'll go. It was closed actually. I'll show you guys from outside, but first we are trying to see the house, the old house which that exactly happened. Somewhere here they said a big gate would be there. That's the whole old house. So finally this is the house that happened. Photography is strictly not allowed, it seems, so I'm not gonna take much videos. Just to show you guys, this is the house, and This is the entrance of it. It's closed. We'll ask them if they open it. But this is that Kanakdara Sutram house, I think. Yeah. So this is the house, and this is the last shot I'm taking. It's strictly prohibited, but it has so much historical importance. So now we are starting back. This is the house. They'll open at 4 o'clock, it seems. If you guys want to plan and go inside and watch it, it will be closed by 10 a.m. From 8 to 10 a.m. it will be open, and after 4, I think 4 to 5 it will be open, it seems. Now we cannot stay until 4 o'clock here. So we'll return back to, there's a temple here for that Kanakadurga or Kanakadarastava temple, Kanakadurga temple only, I think. So there we'll go to that temple. This is the temple Kapujari's house. We'll ask him if he can help us in opening it. So last time, in case you guys missed, so this is Periyar River, and that's the bank. I think that's the temple where Shankaracharya was born. That's the temple, I think. On the banks of this Periyar River, he was born. Now let's go there. I'll show you guys the bank as well, the temple as well, and then let's have some good lunch over there, and then start back to Athirappilly. So this is Adi Shankaracharya Janmabhoomi Kshetra. You need to go straight here. So in next 400 or 500 meters, you'll get the river bank. I think there we need to take the left for the temple. Yeah, this is the temple, I guess. We came here already once. Yeah, I came here already once last time when we did the Kerala trip. Now let's watch it again. So we just visited Adi Shankaracharya, birthplace temple. So he was born here near the banks of this Periyar River, as I said. So the river which I've shown you, there a thing happened actually. When he was young, I think, I'm not sure a perfect age, when he was young, and when he was taking a bath in that particular river, a crocodile caught his leg. It's not leaving his leg. Then the story says he got to know his destiny, and he said to his mother that accept me, like allow me to become a sannyasi, or else I'll die because of crocodile bite, as crocodile will not leave. So there's no other option. His mother accepted him to become sannyasi, and then the crocodile left, it seems. So that's the story here. That's the actual turning point of the Shankaracharya. So from where from a young lad, he become a sannyasi, or a sage kind of. From there, he used to roam in the country and what do you say, propagate Hinduism and do the debates and all. That's the history of the place and the temple. Now let's. I'm so hungry. Let's have good lunch. Then after lunch, we'll directly start to Athirappilly. It would be around 40 to 50 kilometers from here. It's showing 1.5 hours. So we'll start there after lunch. Finally we're on to this Athirappilly road. Yesterday we took a right, left is Chalakudy and right is Athirappilly. So right now we took that ride again, and it's the same route yesterday. Which route we came? It's the same route we are coming today as well. So Athirappilly is around 17 kilometers from here. So that is proper view of this Chalakudy river. Chalo, let's start again. So we've reached Athirappilly Waterfalls. How's the water? That's the fall. Let's park our bike and wait in a hotel for 5 minutes. Then we'll need to get the tickets. The ticket is around, I think, 60 rupees. 60 rupees per head. So you can take the tickets online or offline as well. Parking. So we're coming down right now. Half of it we came. Still just half more. Let's go and see the falls.